In today's digital world, social media challenges are more than just fun. They're powerful tools for connection, creativity, and engagement. Remember the Ice Bucket Challenge or the hashtag #InMyFeelings Challenge? They took the internet by storm. Now it's your turn to create the next big thing. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to crafting a viral social media challenge. First, why should you care about creating a social media challenge? A great challenge can amplify your brand's reach, build a sense of community, and drive organic engagement like never before. Whether you're a creator, a brand, or just someone with a big idea, a viral challenge can make your message unforgettable. The first step? Brainstorming. Let's break it down. Know your audience. What do they love? Think about their habits and interests. Tap into trends. Leverage trending hashtags, memes, or pop culture for relevance. Keep it simple. Easy to replicate challenges spread like wildfire. Pro tip: keep it inclusive, safe, and fun. Challenges that spark joy rather than controversy will go much farther. Got an idea? Now, let's refine it. Outline clear steps. Simple instructions are the key to participation. Give it a catchy name, make it short, memorable, and hint at the fun. Create a unique hashtag that's easy to search, like hashtag #FlipTheSwitch. Add visual elements. Whether it's a dance move or a creative twist, visuals make your challenge more shareable. For example, if it's a dance challenge, come up with a signature move. If it's a DIY challenge, showcase stunning end results. Now let's make some noise. Start with a high-quality video showing off the challenge. Make it fun, clear, and eye-catching. Collaborate with influencers. They'll amplify your reach and lend credibility. Get early adopters involved and highlight their contributions. Seeing others join motivates more people to participate. Pro tip: launch your challenge across multiple platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter for maximum exposure. Your challenge is live. Now what? Track performance with analytics tools. Keep an eye on engagement, reach, and hashtag trends. Engage with participants by commenting on and sharing user-generated content. Shout out the most creative submissions. If things slow down, evolve the challenge. Add variations, new elements, or prizes to reignite interest. Remember, adaptability is key to keeping your challenge fresh and fun. Creating a viral social media challenge is an art and a science. With the right mix of creativity, strategy, and timing, your idea could captivate the internet. So, what's your big idea? Start brainstorming, and don't forget to share your challenge when it takes off. Who knows, you could be behind the next global phenomenon. Ready to make it happen? Follow these steps and turn your vision into a viral sensation. The internet is waiting. What are you waiting for?